If you want to manage servers from your client computer directly, you can deploy the Remote Server Administration Tools, or RSAT. Now to do this, you have to be running Windows 10 or Windows 8.1. I mean, nobody uses Windows 8.1, so we'll just say Windows 10. RSAT will let you manage many roles and features. Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, file services, group policy, pretty much anything that you can actually think of, you can manage through RSAT. There are dozens of things you can actually manage. Now, the RSAT has to be downloaded to your local machine. So it's not built into Windows 10, not built into Windows Server. To download it, you could simply go to this URL, which is actually a resource under this lesson if you want to browse to the URL. And from there, you would simply download this. Once downloaded, you could remotely manage many of your services.